All right, check it out. We can now rotate the touching values clockwise, but the meta structure rotates in the opposite direction. It rotates counterclockwise. There's reasons for that. We may have time to describe. I don't know. Shader 7, we refactored this name from URO4 to UR4I. Not the best name, but we don't want to collide with our rotational value. And then down here, here's our new URO4, which is a U32. That's going to store the rotational value. Then if we go down here, there's going to be a few refactor sites. So here's 4 refactor sites, and then here's 2 more refactor sites. And then if we scroll down a bit, extract tile values section. This is our last refactor site. Okay, so now if we scroll down, we can see the rotational code extracted from the green channel, the 2-bit rotational code we're going to need. And then if we go down a little bit further, we'll see it in action. So in the discrete internal rotated section, which is a new section, we have the discrete internal rotated, which is just a carryover of the discrete internal mirrored. We're not doing anything with this yet, but we are rotating the touching value. So this is the touching value broken up into X and Y components because we have the paired lookup tables. And depending on what the touching value is, 0, 1, 2, or 3, we're going to rotate by 0, 90, or 180 degrees. Sorry, 0, 90, 180, or 270 degrees using our paired lookup tables here. And then we need to glue everything back together. So we need to take those individual components, smash them back together with a bitwise OR to get the new touching value. That new touching value will be used in 2 places in our shader for the 2 graphics sections. So we got the 8x4 capper graphics section that uses the touching value, and then we also have the 4x4 graphics tint section, which also uses the touching value here. That's everything we've done in this shader, and here's what we did previously. Here are all our footnotes, and then here is what we did in this video. If you want a longer explanation, you can go to this playlist. You are on this playlist. Get the source code here. Email me here. You, my friend, have been on video number 342. Like, subscribe, send money in the mail.